Hello, I am Sudeep and this playlist contains a series of Azure videos all under 5 minutes. I also have another playlist covering the Azure features in more details. The link to the other playlist has been provided below. In this video, I'll provide an overview of Microsoft Azure. In order to understand Azure, it is necessary that you first understand the concepts of cloud computing. I'll explain what cloud computing means with this example. Let's say Sarah runs a small lodging establishment. She wants to provide online booking facility to her customers and hence decides to build a website. She begins by buying a server. Then she gets someone to build a website for her, which is then hosted on the server. Although it all seems logical and straightforward, there are some considerations with this approach. Sarah needs to arrange the necessary funds upfront to do the following: buying the server infrastructure and the software licenses, and paying the resource to build the website for her. Nevertheless, she gets what she's been looking for: a website to stay in competition. It's been a while and her business is growing, but then during the Christmas break, Sarah's website receives higher traffic when a lot of users try to book their stay simultaneously. Her server cannot cope with the incoming traffic, so she has to procure more server resources, which in turn means more investment. She then invests more money in favor of higher specifications, only to realize that the resources remain underutilized for the rest of the year. So Mike asks Sarah to move to cloud. Cloud computing allows you to access system resources and services over the internet. Instead of buying a server, Sarah can rent a server in the cloud. She just needs an internet connection to log on and manage her cloud-hosted server. Except that she doesn't need to buy the server upfront. She just pays a monthly rent for the server on the cloud. This is termed as infrastructure as a service. In the month of December, when the load on the server goes beyond a threshold, someone magically scales the memory and CPU without her having to worry about it. She just pays for the additional resources when required. For rest of the year, she just pays for what she uses. This is an example of platform as a service. Instead of hiring a resource, she could build her own website using some DIY services who take care of the underlying code and configuration and let her focus only on the content. This is an example of providing software as a service. Cloud services are offered by almost all the major software companies. Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform and it offers all the three services. Subscribe to my channel to know more about Windows Azure. Have a nice day.